Dati-rati sabay pa nating pinangarap ang lahat. Umaawit pa sa hangin at amoy araw ang balat. Naaalala ko pa noon, nag-aagawan ng Nintendo. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ang ating kwento.
Lagi-lagi ka sa amin ang dumidiretso pag-uwi. Maglalaro ng tao-taong piso-pisong nabili. Umaawit ang theme song na sabay kinabasa. Kay sarap namang mabalikan ng alaala.
Ikaw ang kasama buhat noon. Ikaw ang pangarap hanggang ngayon. Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna at ako ang iyong hari?
Ako yung prinsesang sagip mo palagi. Ngunit ngayon'y marami nang nabago't nangyari.
Hindi ang pagtingin na gaya pa rin na nararata dati, nararata dati, nararata dati, na gaya pa rin na. Dati-rati ay palaging sabay na mag-siesta.
At sabay ring gigising ng alas 4:30.
Oh, sabay manonood ng paboritong programa.
O kay tamis namang mabalikan ng alaala.
Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna at ako ang iyong hari?
Ako yung prinsesa, sagip mo palagi. Ngunit ngayon'y marami nang nabago't nangyari.
Hindi ang pagtingin na gaya pa rin na.
Dati-rati ay naglalaro pa ng bahay-bahayan. Gamit-gamit ang mantel na tinatali sa kawayan. At pawang magkakalaban pag nagtataya-tayaan. Pero sing tamis ng candy pag nagkakasal-kasalan. Di ba dati ay nagkukunwaring Marvin at Jelena? Minsan ay tambalang Mylene at Bojo Molina. Ang sarap siguro balikan ng mga ala-ala. Lalo na kung magkayakap mga bata't magkasama. At
Parang Hulyo't Hulya, lagi tayong magkasama. Sabay tayong umiyak at inaabisi sa
Una kang kinakatok sa pagsapit ng umaga.
sana mabalik pang dati nating pagsasama.
Di ba't ikaw yung reyna at ako ang iyong hari?
Ako yung prinsesa, sagip mo palagi.
Ngunit ngayon'y malayo ka at malabong mangyari. Ang aking pagtingin,
Bulong na lang sa hangin.
harap na lang din, na gaya pa rin na.
Queued up at the wrong time of the night. What's up with their comp? Something isn't right. Game's up and I'm sure that he's lost his mind. It's an AD Maokai. Poke him every time he comes up to farm. Zoned him so this lane isn't very hard. Kill him so he falls even more behind. It's an AD Maokai. He's getting a gank fight. We shouldn't have been caught.
destroy me. How strong can a tree be? I think I'm about to die to an 80 Malachi.
I won't give up, we're so behind. Our towers are gone, but we'll survive. If we play right, we'll win the fights. But we'll never know if we don't try. I won't give up. He's just chilling at the store. First blood is theirs, my team won't play this anymore. He reconnected, only to die. All lanes are losing, they got dragging every time. towers are gone, but we'll survive. If we play right, we'll win the fights, but we'll never know if we don't try. I won't give up. Here they come, clearing wards on their way to Barren Pit. And if we let them take it, our chances will be lower. So here we go, for the steal, smite is up. It's our time to make a play. I can't believe I stole it. We won't give up. We're so behind, our towers are gone, but we survived. We played it right, we won the fight. We just had to try.
got that shit.